Okay, buildy friends, today I'm sharing this self-standing wood arch, and I started with these concrete bases. Then I trimmed off that plastic and added a little wood trim, stuck in the posts, and then got to constructing the actual arch. So one beam across the top, then I used lag screws to attach, pre-drilling the holes of course. Once both sides were attached, I realized I forgot to add the collars that go over the post. The collars simply cover the hardware, the post base piece that is holding the post in position. So I had to undo the lag screws from the top and then slide the collar in place and then redo the screws. No big deal, just don't forget, so you don't have to do it twice. Okay, collars are on and we're ready for the corner supports. So you need to pre-drill the holes like before, and then I used the nail gun to hold the corner in position because I was by myself. If you have a helper, this would not be necessary. I just used a short 1 1/4 inch nail just to keep it in place. And there you have it, the self-standing wood arch. It's beautiful on its own, but even more pretty once you add decorations or flowers or fabric, whatever the occasion.